All right, so this question comes in from Nick. Nick, thank you for submitting this to our site. Question is, let's say that I sell items in the gift line that only sell well in December. Pretty common challenge, right? But I see an item in a different category that my product would accessorize well, and it does very good monthly volume all year. I think if I can get my product in front of those buyers, I could sell more. Is this a good strategy? Well, yeah, actually, so that is kind of a common thing that we do within Canopy Management is we first start out, of course, making sure that we've got control of things like profitability and targeting of the existing ad space, ensuring products are ad ready, that kind of thing. Then we move on to certainly going more aggressive. We implement both a defensive and an offense campaign strategy that increases market share for a product. Third is then we go after how do we build the audience by reaching out to accessories for complementary or related products that your target audience may be interested in shopping in, that we can test running ads. Ideally, you're running something like my gold panning strategies. If you're familiar with those are typically the low bid strategies that we can test out in things like specific category targeting ads. Now, those require quite a bit of customization, so I wouldn't start with a category, but certainly you could do things like certainly running more of your automatic campaigns and then focusing the ads on complementary product targeting type. You can also, of course, run product targeting ads across sponsored product, sponsored brand, sponsored display on products that are outside of your competitive niche. These are great ways if you see that there's a connection there, or you see frequently bought together, or people who view this item also view this item. All those things are clues. There's about 20 different idea generators that we use internally within Canopy Management in order to see where that audience lives also outside of just where we see them within our own competitive set. So it is something that I absolutely recommend that you start doing some testing. Be a little conservative, start out with something that is lower bid. In other words, your default bid is generally going to be below whatever your break-even bid is for that product. So the risk is low for you to continue to test those. And then continue to add on where you see as directly complementing products, and maybe simply just products that are unlike yours, but maybe in demand by your target audience. Those are some great tests, and that is something I highly recommend you do.